So I'm going to be doing an unboxing and quick review on the Skullcandy Terrain Mini Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. Now, I'm definitely excited to show you guys this because I have the bigger version. This is the mini, and it currently sells for 40 bucks, comes in 4 different color options. It's got a 14-hour battery life, but most importantly, we're going to see how loud this thing is once we get it connected and going. But really like the packaging design. You can see you've got the Skullcandy logo right here, and I have this in the blue and gray. But if you didn't go with blue and gray, I think red would be a good option for this, and also the black and orange looks pretty slick as well. But, you know, I had to go blue with it, guys. All right, anyways, let's see what we got in the packaging here. Assuming a charging cable probably, and maybe a sticker or two. Skullcandy does have some cool stickers, I will say that. It's just their, yeah, there it is right there. I mean, it's just their logo. Okay, some other things about this speaker. Obviously, it's IPX7 waterproof rated, which is good. It's got the nylon wrist strap, which is kind of cool too. And dang, there it is, guys. Very nice. Okay, so yeah, it feels good. It's got a little bit of weight to it, which is good. You've got the Skullcandy logo on the rubber. You've got the power button on the back here, so I'm going to turn this thing on and we're going to connect it and check it out. But yeah, my first impressions right now, a nice little speaker as far as the design. Okay, so I've got my Z Fold 5 here. I'm going to load up some video for you guys so you can you know, hear it. So I'll let this run for like a minute or two, and then we'll I'll give you my final thoughts.
I don't get you, man.
You're right. Is this that dangerous menace?
No. She seems like a good guy.
Why wear a mask if you got nothing to hide? She killed your friend.
You don't know that.
What do you mean? I was there. She ran from the scene.
Maybe she didn't have a choice.
I got a job to do.
It won't bring him back. Got a minute?
How have you been?
You're the only friend I've ever really made after Peter died.
I don't want to argue about this, okay?
What?
He was my daughter's best friend, and I will not rest until I find this Spider-Woman.
I just wanted to be special, like you.
Goodbye, Miles.
Gwen, you should have never come to see me.
Do you really think I'm a murderer?
I know he's your friend, but it's the only way.
You have the right to remain silent.
What?
Can you say can?
Dad, are you really this afraid of me?
You have the right.
Dad, stop!
My job, being captain, this whole thing doesn't matter anymore. You're the best thing I've ever done.
I didn't want to hurt him. But I did. And he's not the only one.
Okay, so bottom line, this is a solid mini wireless Bluetooth speaker. It's got a great design. The price point's right on it. It's only 40 bucks. Really long battery life, and it's got the little strap that lets you take it with you. You know, you could attach it to anything as well. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to learn more about this speaker or get on our tech newsletter where we send out 1 email a week on only the good stuff, we'll have some links below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next video.